In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your spatial wallpaper not working on your iPhone on iOS 26. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, let's say you have a spatial wallpaper like I do, like, when I move left and right and everything, it basically goes intertwined with my clock, and, it's pretty cool, especially when there's a bit of motion. So if that's not working for you, there's a few different things that you're going to want to do. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to your settings application, then scroll down and go to battery, which is under personal hotspot. From here, make sure that when you're on charging mode, keep it, that doesn't really matter too much, but you want to go to power mode. Make sure you're not on low power mode, because low power mode, like, it reduces the amount of motion that is on, and it caps your screen at 60 hertz, and it also just reduces a lot of different things like brightness as well. So it limits a lot of features, and this is one of them. So you want to make sure, that you are not on low power mode. The next thing I want you to do is, when you swipe down and you're on this wallpaper display, go and long press on your screen. When you long press on it, on the bottom, you're going to see customize. Now, when you press customize, you might actually not be on the spatial mode. So on the bottom right, I see that little like album icon next to those three little dots. I gotta go ahead and click that. So right now, when it has like the line across it, that means it's not on. All you want to do is go ahead and press it to make sure it's on when you move around and stuff. Like, I'm moving my phone right now, I'm just moving it around. It moves with you, which is really, really cool, and you can customize a lot. Now, bear in mind that depending on the picture you're using, some have more like, spatial awareness, so they're going to be able to move around more freely compared to others. So it depends on what is also in the image. If you're expecting a lot more, then you might have to change your image compared to what you already have. So for example, I have that Porsche right now. It's not giving me a lot of movement, but it's giving me enough of what I need. However, if you had like a picture of yourself or something, depending on the framing, you might get some more, spatial features out of it. And then if that still doesn't work, what you want to do, press your volume up button, press your power button together. When you hold them together, it's going to look like this. Slide to power off, and then press your power button again to restart your phone. And, that should fix any bug that you're having. Now, the final thing I want you to go ahead and do is go over to your settings application again, and then from here, scroll down until you go to general, then go to software update being the second option, and just make sure you're on the latest version as well, so that any bug fixes have been applied. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.